This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending January 3rd, 2026. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.66% on Friday, but was down minus 0.67% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.19% on Friday, but was down minus 1.03% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 0.03% on Friday and was down minus 1.52% for the week. The market ending lower was kind of disappointing, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. Oh, and Bitcoin finished up 2.74% this week, which was good, but that doesn't matter to me either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate cash flow or income from Bitcoin every week by selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Cipher Mining Incorporated, ticker symbol CIFR in the first column. It was up 9.76% on Friday and increased 6.65% for the week. Cipher Mining Incorporated is a technology company that develops and operates industrial scale Bitcoin mining data centers. They have 4 mining centers in Texas. One is in Odessa, Texas, one near Happy, Texas, and 2 near Andrews, Texas. The chief facility near Andrews, Texas is connected to the local electric grid. Cipher's stock price boost is a result of buy recommendations from several analysts based on the company's operations at their Black Pearl Phase 1 site, which supports the growing demand in high performance computing from AI and hydro Bitcoin mining. So it seems that Cipher is a play on both IA and on AI and Bitcoin. What do you think? Is Cipher a buy or are you too late to join the party? This week I generated cash flow from selling 12 different option contracts that range from $55.34 to $240.34. I received a total of $1,276.08 for the 12 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Please be aware that option prices change quickly and dramatically. Do not try to copy my trades you see here. You will not get the same price that I got for these options. Maybe not even close. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased slightly from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 3.7%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding on how to use options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is zero or you spent more money than you made, then you need And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't taught to you in school. And do you know what they don't teach you in school? Money, and it's on purpose. You need to learn about money and the financial system and then use that knowledge to your advantage. That means learn how to extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working 2 or 3 jobs, and it does not mean side hustling. It means use money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. So, check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.